Hello everybody, my name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools, and in today's video we are going to go over this Ryobi 1900 PSI pressure washer. It's a corded one that you plug in and it's electric, not gas. And we're going to go ahead and open this up and go ahead and show you how it puts together to start. And then we'll go ahead and demo it just like we do everything else outside. And, so here it is. So when you get it, it's going to be just like this. This is the hose that's going to connect the unit to the wand. This is your cord that's going to plug into a wall. And on the back here is where your water hose for like a garden hose is going to go. And this is where your hose to your nozzle is going to go. So this guy has a plastic fitting on it. So we're going to take that guy off to begin with. Alright, now that that's off, we're going to go ahead and connect one end of this hose. So it'll snug in, and then these threads are going to pull it all the way on. So you'll put it up snug, slide that center piece in, and then just thread it all the way down until it's tight. Then the opposite end of this is going to go to the base of your wand. And that again just pops in and then threads tight. Alright guys, so once we get this tightened down and connected, the front part of the wand will need to connect to the base, so that's going to just slide in. There's two little rivets right here that line up with two little lines or like bumps that come out on this piece that goes in. So those will slide in and then twist like 90 degrees and it will lock, and it twists counterclockwise, and then that's going to be locked. And then that's literally it, guys. At this point the machine is together. You do need to connect your garden hose to this right here on the back, and it's kind of nice because it has this little piece that will spin independently of everything. So if you don't have this on your hose, it still has that for you, which makes it easier to put on and take off. You can add a solution to this that will be mixed in to your pressure water, the stuff that comes out, the water that comes out of your hose, and then just needs to be plugged in. So that being said, guys, we're going to jump to demoing this guy. Thanks again for watching. By the way, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe. We're giving away a $100 gift card to SpendLessStore.com, where we have all the tools you see around us for sale, pre-tested at discounted prices. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you in the demo. Alright guys, like we said, the hose can go right on here, and even if you have a basic hose just like this, you still can use this little loose piece and it helps you slide it on and get it tight, and you don't have to spin your hose or anything crazy. So that is on. Then the other thing we got to do is plug this guy in. So right here I got the plug, I got a plug. Click that, you'll see this green light comes on letting you know everything's good to go with the GFI. And then from there, guys, we are ready to go. Turn on the hose is the next step. Alright guys, everything connected, hose is on, plugged in, and now we're going to turn it on. And we're going to start off with the orange tip, which is a 15-degree angle. Put that guy on there. And finally we get to see some cleaning. Alright guys, I know you get sick of being inside the shop all the time, so I figured I'd come show you some real life, real use scenario stuff. So if you got some bird poop and you need to get rid of it, we're going to show you how the 1900 Ryobi PSI pressure washer is going to get it done for you. So as you can see guys, bird poop right All right, guys, thanks for watching. We super appreciate you. If you haven't, don't forget to subscribe. We're actually giving away a $100 gift card at the end of this month. Also, I use that 1900 PSI pressure washer probably twice a week to clean this Jeep right here from mud. Again, I really like this pressure washer because it does not take the paint off or anything like that, because it's only like 1900 PSI. So thanks again for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video, and now you know you don't need a therapist. All you need is a 1900 Ryobi PSI pressure washer. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.